Let's draw this monochrome sketch. I have used a poster board, also called a modeling paper, for this sketch. This is a smooth white paper which is excellent for pen drawing. For drawing, I have used a gel pen, and for smaller intricate work, I have used fine tip technical pens. I decided to draw this sketch directly using pen. If you want, you may draw an underlying pencil sketch beforehand and then begin the pen work. Begin with a very loose pen sketch. The goal here is to block the shapes and not draw too many details. I also suggest using rough broken lines so that any overlaps can be accommodated later on. This barren tree will form a major part of the foreground. Let's draw this first. Let's begin drawing the brickwork. This brickwork is quite old, so don't expect it to be very smooth and orderly. You can afford to be loose while drawing these bricks. Just mind the overlap caused by the branches in the foreground. Draw bricks in the similar fashion on the right side of the wall, but in a smaller size. Let's begin adding some shading to the bricks. For this, I am using a technical pen. I am using hatching strokes to shade the bricks. We need to do this hatching for every individual brick separately. While hatching, we need to be careful to leave out the areas which are overlapped by the branches. But there is no need to be too precise about this. If you accidentally put some hatching strokes within the branches, we can cover them later using a white pen. Now let's continue the hatching until we have covered all the bricks. Let's add some hatching to the roof and continue on the other bricks. Let's add some hatching strokes to the wooden frame and the glass panes of the window. While adding hatching strokes to the wooden pane, we should be mindful of the texture of the wood, and these hatching strokes should be different than those used for the bricks. Similarly, the strokes used for glass panes will be a little skewed rather than exactly vertical. These glass panes are dirty, so they will not reflect that much of light and they will not be so transparent. We just need to indicate the presence of glass. We will add some cross hatching to the uppermost bricks. This area will be shadowed because of the roof above. That is why we need to darken these places. Darkening this area has an added advantage that the overlapping branches now really pop visually. Now add some more cross hatching to other bricks. As you come down, make the shading lighter and lighter because more light will fall on this area. Add some dark values to the wooden frame of the window and some area around it. We want to really pop the window visually and make it our main subject. So it should sufficiently look different from its background. Add some more cross hatching to the bricks near the roof area to make it even darker. To darken an area which is already cross hatched, that is, if you have already used horizontal and vertical strokes, you may darken it further using strokes slanting at 45 degrees. I wanted to clearly demarcate the boundaries between the bricks. So I am using a thick tip black pen to further darken the edges of the brick. I have used the same pen to lend some dark values to the window frame as well. Now add some dark values to the overlapping branches. Adding these dark values on one side of the branches will create a definition for these branches, which means it will create a 3D effect. Now use the thick black pen to lend further definition to the window frame. Add very dark values to the parts of the bricks behind the branches to further enhance their visual appeal. Now add the darkest values to the overlapping branches. From here onwards, it's totally up to you how much dark value you want to add to the picture. Once you are satisfied with all the dark values, take out that white gel pen to add some finishing touches. We have added the darkest values on one side of the branches. Use the white gel pen to add lightest values on the other side of the branches. And our monochrome window sketch is done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, consider hitting that like button and subscribe to the channel if not done already. You can have a look at my art gallery, my books and my video trainings on my website, which is given in the description below. Bye for now and happy painting!